This is a halogen fixture that can accept either a halogen lamp or an LED drop-in, as opposed to this fixture, which is an integrated LED fixture. And what it has is it has the LED mechanism built right into the fixture. All right? This particular fixture has color correcting lenses on it because halogen has the nice warm color that we all have grown up with and are used to in our houses. When LED first came out, it's a very white light. And as lighting designers, we wanted the warm halogen color. So this is one way that this particular manufacturer creates that warm light. You can see that the LED diode is built right into the fixture itself. The disadvantage to the integrated LED fixture is that it's not as easy to replace as the halogen fixture. You know how we just are able to snap this in and out? Well, with an integrated LED fixture, you have to actually take the fixture apart to get to the diode that creates the LED light. Okay, what I'm showing you here is these fins hook up to the back of the diode system. These fins are able to distribute the heat off of the fins are able to distribute the heat off the integral parts of the LED itself better than the drop-in lamp can distribute the heat inside this enclosed halogen fixture. You can see there's no fins on this fixture to take care of the heat distribution, as well as the integrated fixture has those fins, and it helps distribute the heat better.